Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo or like moving image, call it as you want, on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then when you just like in a normal photo mode, tap on this arrow button, then select this icon. And that's how you can enable dynamic image. So I don't know, let's try to take that kind of photo. So I'm just gonna like take photo of this flower. Oh damn, no. So why it's not moving? Why it's not dynamic? No idea. It's just a normal photo. They tricked me. But yeah, that's how you can enable that feature. Dynamic image. Just like this. I don't know, maybe I'm not a camera pro and I don't know how to like make this picture moving, but on my iPhone it works perfectly. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.